Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and join Google Classroom on TCL Pad 10. So in order to do this, let's open our Google Play Store. From here we'll need to find the app called Google Classroom. Now select it and install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open this app. From here, click on Get Started, choose the account you want to use for this app. Click on this plus button right here, join the class, enter the class code, which you should be provided with, and after doing so, you should be joined with a class. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.